All right, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So today we took us a little ride actually. Janice's brother borrowed his motorcycle, and Janice was so excited she was going to come up here to where we are right now, at the CDC grounds, Clark's, the park up in Clark Freezone. And she was going to meet with one of her, collaborators. I think it's Karen's. Is it Karen's vlog, huh? Is it Karen's vlog? Yeah. Yeah. Karen Avila blog. Yeah. So we were going to meet up with her here today, and it didn't happen. It didn't happen.
I'm just calling to her,
and she's not answering. So anyway, they've actually been up in the park, and Janice wanted to surprise her, but they surprised us, and they were gone when we got here. So anyway, still an overcast day. It's a little cloudy, no rain though. Humidity, I saw it this morning, was like 76-78%. And it's like 32 degrees. I don't know what that translates to in what do you call it, Fahrenheit, but it's probably way above 90. So it's not so much the heat, it's the humidity that is done. And down there is the Mount Arayat. It's a pretty interesting mountain actually. It's a volcano that's probably been dormant for hundreds, if not thousands of years. Stands about 3,200, 3,300 feet above sea level, and you can see it all over the place here when you're traveling around this. But it's a nice little park. We've been doing a couple of vlogs up here before. There was some activities going on. I don't know what it was inside the park area, but they had roads blocked off and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, so that was pretty much it with that. So now we got to decide here where we want to go and what we want to do. And Janice, I think she was a little disappointed up here. You actually have a open tennis court. There's a couple here up here and playing. It's actually tennis is a fun sport to play. I did that when I was young and had my back in order. I played a lot of tennis. It's a fun game. It's a fun game. All right, so here we go. Here she is again, and it's.
she's on the duty free.
Huh?
She's on the duty free.
Duty free.
Buy some souvenir or something.
Duty free, pure gold duty free?
I think it's some. What's only one duty free here inside Black, right?
Yeah, I don't know where it is though.
Me too.
All right, so well, maybe we go there and see what we can, if we can find her.
Yeah, dali. There's a chance ba you didn't get out the.
Yeah, but where's the duty free though?
I don't know. We can ask some.
All right, well, we can ask. All right, let's go. All right, let's go and see if we can find her.
Let's see if we can find her. We're just not losing hope.
All right, so uh, we are now officially hunting for Karen. So um, we're gonna drive up to the what do you call it, the duty-free zone, and apparently she should be up there. So we'll see if we can find her. Anyway, it's always a nice ride here in this little park. It's pretty good actually. I forgot to put the windshield, so the wind is blowing a little bit in the camera. I hope that'll be okay anyway.
Yeah, it's Sunday today. It's a family bonding. And hopefully we will find my friends. We can catch up with her on the duty free. Let's see if we can catch her. Because she's on the way home. Cross finger, guys. Finding Karen.
Is there duty-free shops down there?
I don't know.
That gentleman there might be able to answer.
Huh? Jollibee. What are you on?
Should ask somebody.
Kuya, pwede magtanong? Saan po dito yung duty free? Banda? Doon pa?
Is it by Pure Gold up there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, salamat. So, way back to Pure Gold. Where's the exit? I-4. So this is where Romero is working. I-4. My cousin. Going straight?
Huh?
We're going straight?
No.
Turn left? So we're going to turn left. for chasing someone.
All right, so it's been quite a long day searching for Karen. She wasn't sure, I guess, where she is quite, but I think we have figured it out. So we're just gonna go down there and see if that's the case. I love to drive up here in Clark. It's smoke free, and as you can see, not a whole lot of traffic or anything, so it's pretty cool up here. I like it. And he was in a hurry.
Before? Before somewhere.
Well, maybe she called you.
Yeah.
All right, so we're still on the hunt for Karen.
Or hunting Karen. Did not answer.
She's waiting. Right across the street here, there's Pure Gold duty free, and I think G-Mart, E-Food, all that is duty free down here. I think it's duty free pretty much here, and then there's apparently a couple other places. So let's see if we can find her.
Yeah, there is one. If you can buy souvenir, he said it's 100 meters from here to there.
100 meters?
Yeah.
Then we can walk. I don't know where it is. He said it was 100 meter. Huh? Where? This one here. Yeah.
Yeah, more than 100 meters.
Oh yeah, way more. The hunt for what's her name again?
Karen. Hello. Hello.
All right. So apparently she has made contact on the phone. So they should be close by. So we'll keep hunting. We keep hunting. Alright, so anyway, this is a pretty decent shopping area. Janice is happy. Alright, so we will start head up there and see if we can find Karen. And you know, they have over this past year and a half, when she's been working her blog, which is doing pretty good at it. They became friends, they collaborate together. Karen has a vlog. There's another lady in Taiwan, Joyce, and they're kind of working together. And they for sure chat every single day. It looks like she might find a Karen Avilas vlog.
Ano yung paglabas mo dyan sa Pure Gold, ano yung harap niya is mga Korean restaurant. Kasi isang
Where is she? Where is she?
dito na kami, oh.
Basta naharap dito yung Marriott na hotel.
Hala, Marriott Hotel.
Marriott?
Marriott Hotel. Kasi yung pinuntahan namin na Pure Gold duty free, harap niya is G-Mart Korean. Korean restaurant. Dito na kami, oh, pakitak pa kayo yung Freezone. Ay, ito nga, nakikita ko nga. Oh, kita ko yung Marriott Hotel. Kita ko. Sa kay banda. Dito na kami. Dito mismo sa entrance.
Where
Where are you?
Where is she?
Andito na kami sa entrance.
Pure Gold, right
Pure
across.
Gold. Let's go.
Is she here in Pure Gold or where?
Yeah.
Is she in the car or where is she? Hi, Karen.
Oh, grabe ang takbo ko.
We thought we'd never find you.
Yes. There, we're in the back.
Ah, okay. So you guys were down here.
Picture the lake and we're going home now.
Yeah, but you have pictures here. Come on. Why don't we take the masks off just for?
Ay, grabe.
Yeah, is this your van?
No. At the back are service.
Oh, okay.
Ah, it's over there. Oh. Ah, okay. Take a picture with me and Karen.
Yeah, go in front of the camera. You got plenty of pictures.
Ah, nagbablog siya eh. Hi guys.
All right, so start your camera.
Okay. This one. Here.
All right, go ahead.
One more. Yeah. Nagulat na sila. Ay, pinuso talaga namin na sundar ka dito. Kung hindi natin na nasa dito, kasi na kami dito. Sige, bye-bye
I can stay longer because my aunt and father are there.
They're waiting for you. Yeah,
Yeah.
I realize. Okay, well, it was nice meeting you. All right, next time, little longer. All right. So now you finally got to
Yes,
meet.
success! Finding Karen, success! Thank you! Oh my God!
All
That's
right.
so nice.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So now the wife is happy.
Yeah!
She's been-
I'm more than happy!
Yeah.
Finally, we've been with, but it's not very a long time, it's short time, that's why.
No,
Just say hello.
and you have like collaborated online for a long time.
Yeah,
right?
long time. She's my friend in YT for a long time now.
All right. So you're doing
Yeah.
vlogs together with what's her name in Thailand?
Joyce Island TV, Golden Glen Channel, and Karen Avila Vlogs. That's all my friends
And what's
in
up?
YT.
What's up,
What's up,
Mananap?
Mananap? My channel is What's Up Mananap. So guys, please visit my YouTube channel, What's Up
And
Mananap.
Karen and Joyce is here.
Yeah, Karen Avila Vlogs,
And
Golden Green Channel,
Yeah.
and Joyce Allen TV.
we put links in the description, right?
Yeah. We put
Okay.
the description below.
All right, thank you guys for hanging with us. A lot of walking, a lot of running around. We finally got to get that
Finally
done.
got the picture.
All right.
All right.
God bless everybody. We'll see you soon again.
Yeah, bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.